attention from secondary 3. Today I will do a presentation about genetic disease, high blood pressure. So, high blood pressure. High blood pressure is the amount of force that exerts against the walls of arteries as blood flows through them. In the United States, there are 85 million people that have high blood pressures, and the cause is the heart is muscle that pumps blood around our body, and the blood that has low oxygen is pumped towards the lungs, where oxygen supplies are replaced. The oxygen-rich blood is then pumped by the heart around the body to supply our muscle and cells. And there are two categories of high blood pressure. The first one is essential HBP or high blood pressures, and this is not established cause. So there is strong evidence linking some risk factor to the linked likelihood of developing the condition. And the second is secondary HBP, and there is an underlying cause. And the example of secondary HBP, the first one, there is age. The older you are, the higher your risk of high blood pressure. And the second is family history. If you have close family, like your father, grandfather, or your close family have with hypertension, your change of developing it are significantly higher. And the third is temperature. Blood pressure was lower when it got warmer and rose when it got colder. And the fourth is ethnic background. People with African or South Asian ancestry have a higher risk of developing hypertension compared to people with predominantly Caucasian or American ancestries. And the fifth is obesity or overweight. People are more likely to develop high blood pressure compared to people of normal weight. And number 6 is some aspect of gender. High blood pressure or HBP is more common among adult men than adult women. And the 7 is physical inactivity, lack of exercise, as well as having a sedentary lifestyle, raising the risk of hypertension. So if you just like to watch movie in your house and eat junk food, not do exercise, you will have a risk of hypertension. Number 8 is smoking. Smoking causes the blood vessel to narrow, resulting in higher blood pressure. Smoking also reduces the blood's oxygen content, so the heart has to pump faster in order to compensate, causing a rise in blood pressure. And number 6 is alcohol intake. And number 9 is alcohol intake. People who drink regularly have higher systolic blood pressure than people who do not, according to researchers. And number 10, high salt intake. People don't eat much salt have lower blood pressure than places where people eat a lot of salt. Number 11, high fat diet. It depends with what type do we the fat diet is consumed. Number 12 is mental stress. The way type A traffic controls handle stress can affect whether they are at risk of developing high blood pressure later in life. And there are so many types of example in secondary high blood pressure. And what are the symptoms? The symptoms is headache, nausea, vomiting, dizziness, blurred or double vision, nosebleed, palpitation or forceful beating of the heart, and breathlessness. And there are the symptoms for children too. There are headache, fatigue, blurred vision, nosebleeds, Bell's palsy, and the symptoms for baby: failure to thrive, seizure, autotability, lethargy, respiration, distress. And as a student, what can I do about it? I will participate in organization about high blood pressure, enjoy the workshop of high blood pressure, and take for you.